Question number 1. Be ready now. One among the following isomerism is not possible in nitroalkane. D is the correct answer. Metamerism is not possible. Chain possible. Positional possible. Functional group possible. Nitroalkane with alkyl nitrite. Metamerism not possible. That is the correct answer. The correct answer is metamerism. My dear students, so isomerism is the most important chapter in all organic chemistry coming. So let me I will spend 5 minutes. Please follow me. Easy way, I will give an idea so that how to memorize. Kindly follow. Chain is always possible in all types. Please note. Chain always possible. So number 1, you need not worry. Number 2, optical always possible. So out of 6 isomerism, 2 is over. You need not worry about these 2. Chain always possible, optical always possible. Because how chain? Normal, iso, neo. You can write terminally, you write the functional group. And coming for the optical, what is the method? C center. You write now below H, CH3, CH2, CH3. Then you write your NO2 group, 2-nitrobutane, optically active. Mirror makes the corresponding enantiomer. So 2, please follow my dear student. This is the final information I am giving because this is the shortest way. No book will give you idea. Chain and optical always possible. Over 2 over. Chain possible. Position that is chain and the optical possible. Then along the order, this is over. Always possible. Coming for position. Let me come for position. Position. Only 2 cases not possible. Kindly follow. Only 2 cases not possible. One is alkane not possible because there is no functional group. So what is positional isomerism? Compounds having same molecular formula but difference in position of the functional group. That is called positional isomerism and the phenomenon is called positional isomerism. So first is definitely alkane will not show. The second is compounds having carbon containing functional group. Carbon containing functional group will not show. Negative. So these 2 points regarding position. Please follow. Very, very easy. I am giving a short route to memorize isomerism. Chain always possible. Optical always possible. Position 2 points you have to memorize. Alkane not possible. Carbon containing functional group not possible. What are the carbon containing? Start from the beginning. Aldehyde, ketone, acid derivative 4, cyanide, isocyanide. Always not possible. Very, very easy. All other compounds will show positional isomerism. So 3 over. And the 4th, very simple, geometrical, only alkenes and their derivatives. Only alkenes and their derivatives. Cyclic compound also will show that is different. We are working only with aliphatic compound, so we are including cyclic. So only alkene and alkene derivatives show geometrical. How simple? Just see here. Out of 4, I have given simplest idea to memorize. Cis, that is, butene will show a geometrical isomerism, cis and trans. Kindly follow now. Is it 4 over? The only remaining 2 only you have to memorize. What we have to memorize? Just see here. 2, 1 is functional group, another is metamerism. Metamerism. Only these 2 you have to memorize. Kindly follow. Under the functional group, there are 5 groups. One, kindly write now, memorize. This should be alcohol and ether. Alcohol and ether. Let me write now example. Ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether. Alcohol and ether. Then aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. Example, propanaldehyde and acetone. Number 3, acid and ester. Acid and ester. Acid and ester, example, propanoic acid and methyl acetate. Propanoic acid and methyl acetate. Kindly follow. Okay, functional group isomers. Then 4. Nitroalkanes, methyl nitrate and methyl nitrite. Functional group isomerism. And finally, methyl cyanide, methyl isocyanide. So these 5 groups you have to memorize. Alcohol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, acid, ester, nitroalkane, alkyl nitrite, cyanide, isocyanide. This should be memorized. Over. So functional group over. So this you have to memorize. There is no other way. There is no other way. So easiest way the entire isomerism for entire organic chemistry I am giving a short route. Okay, let me come for metamerism. This is again very simple. Metamerism, very simple. Only 5 compounds. Only 5 compounds. What is the most important information? The functional group should come in the center of the chain. Let me write now, kindly follow. Number 1, CH3, CH2, CH2, X, CH3 and CH3, CH2, X, CH2, CH3. So this is called metamerism. I will say define now. Compounds having same molecular formula but difference in arrangement of carbon atom on either side of the functional group are called metamers, and the phenomenon exhibited by this metamer is called metamerism. So let me start now. 1. What is X? X equal to ether, center. The number 2. X equal to ester, C double bond O, O. Then 3. X equal to anhydride, CO, O, CO, central. Anhydride. Then ketone 4, ketone CO, both sides. And finally secondary amine. Finally NH, secondary amine. See. So X equal to, you put simply O means you can write 1 methoxypropane, 1 ethoxyethane. If you put ester, corresponding ester. If you put anhydride, corresponding anhydride. If you ketone, corresponding ketone. If you write second amine, corresponding secondary amine. So only 5 again possible. My dear students, so how easy this is, isomerism? How easy? So let me recollect, kindly follow. Chain always possible. Optical always possible. Geometrical only in the case of alkene and alkene derivatives, cis trans isomerism. If not possible, Z and E isomerism, geometrical. And 4th one, that is positional isomerism, only 2 negative. One is alkyl will not show, compounds having carbon containing functional group will not show, all other compound will show. 4 over. The remaining two functional group, 5 types of functional group, 5 pairs, and metamerism 5. You just memorize and rewrite. So regarding isomerism, you will not lose marks at all. Let me go for the question now. So the correct answer is D, metamerism.